What to do if your man is not giving you attention. Let's be honest, few things sting more than feeling invisible to the man you love. You used to feel seen, desired, chosen. But lately, it's like you could walk past him naked and he'd still scroll his phone. The hugs feel rushed, the compliments stopped, and you're starting to wonder if he even wants you anymore. Before you spiral into self-blame or start plotting revenge silence, pause. Because the way you handle this moment determines everything that happens next. See, when a man pulls away, most women either chase harder or shut down completely. Both reactions come from pain, but neither brings him closer. Here's the truth most women don't hear. When a man stops giving you attention, it's rarely about you being less than. It's about energy. The feminine thrives on connection. The masculine often retreats when he's overwhelmed, distracted, or feeling inadequate. Men don't usually talk about it. They withdraw. But that distance, it's a symptom, not a sentence. So what do? Step 1. Stop chasing validation. When you start begging for attention, whether through constant texts, guilt-tripping, or overgiving, you shift the energy. You move from his equal to his pursuer. And men don't fall deeper in love with women they feel chased by. They fall for women who hold their value, even when they're not being validated. Instead of asking, why isn't he giving me attention? Ask, what have I stopped giving myself? Because the moment you stop nourishing your own light, your presence stops being magnetic. Step 2. Mirror. Don't react. If he's silent, you don't need to match his silence with attitude. You mirror his space with calm energy. You don't punish him. You simply shift focus back to your peace, your life, your glow. Men notice energy shifts before words. When you detach emotionally, not in anger, but in serenity, he feels it. He senses that something sacred in you is no longer accessible. And that's when curiosity returns. Step 3. Communicate, not complain. When the time is right, speak with clarity, not desperation. Say something like, I've noticed some distance between us lately. I'm not blaming you. I just miss the connection we used to have. I care about us, but I also care about my peace. How do you feel about where we are right now? This approach disarms him. It shows maturity and self-awareness, two things that command respect, not pity. And finally, if nothing changes, if he keeps starving you emotionally, then you owe yourself the truth. Love shouldn't feel like begging. Attention shouldn't be a reward. You deserve presence, not leftovers. Sometimes walking away isn't about punishment, it's about protection. So ask yourself today, am I chasing what's gone or becoming what's worth chasing again? Because the moment you start choosing yourself, that's when everything and everyone starts to notice. If this spoke to you, then give me thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next one.